Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP ka Raja Sabha u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi u laong baka kam wanra lentirel ha ka jing shisha kalakut na du baka sorkar jela kalapan phaya ka ars pa aklur tingka balamang da ka sorkar pedeng banthit jaka na ka benta banchna lentirel ha jela. Habakren cekilat pathai kubor u Dr. Kharlukhi u laong baka sorkar jela kalapan phaya ka pisa kumta kamat kalakut no hangni. U Dr. Kharlukhi u laong kadai saga kamram jong ka sorkar ban yathir lingba ka all party committee banshong bisha rega kam pinyaso lintirel harilom khasi ba jantia. U laong bamenta baka sorkar kalapan phaya ka pisa nang nepat ki yo byang ya ka pisa. Katkum ka jing ong jong u kani ka jing yalang ka all party committee lesi kala bandai na ka benta ka jing wan ra ya ka project lintirel hadin habut. Halor karai jong ka VPP bandum yashim benta ha ka all party committee banyakren lintirel u Dr. Kharlukhi u laong baka ka ba ka sorkar ka donkam kadai ya kalyang persya ka batay. Ngam tip satya bada ka Jingbym ya Donlang ha ka ni ka komiti kandai ka batay ni ka ba Pynjot.
What is your take on railways as a subject?
Railways, everybody has agreed, even the government has returned the money. So, subject ends there.
But now the government is opening door for consultative meetings.
But they have returned the money. So, consultative maybe, I don't know how many years, then will come out back again.
So, is it the end of chapter for railways in Khasi Jante Hills?
No, now you have returned the money. Where will you get the money again? So, central government is not giving. So, what I'm seeing, again and again, I'm telling you that until and unless we have a strong presence in the parliament, which we are trying as MPP to have quite a good number of representation from Donlang, still we have not got in there. We get MLAs but yet MPs. Until and unless it's like that, it seems very difficult.
We have only one Rajya Sabha MP.
No, that's why, no. We can dream, no. It does mean that losing that you're gone. Actually, failure is the pillar to success. So, do you believe in that? Though we may lose this time, we not even need one MP, we will expect next time.
Can you tell us about the MDA 5 plus 2, now 2 years, 5 governance as such? What are the areas need improvement? What are the plus minus points? The MDA.
Well, MDA, I think they have, like last time, MDA one day given their report, no, before the election, this is what they have done. And I think they have their, like their own policy, government policy, and what they have done. You know, they're trying to do like this, with the roads development, if you look at tourism, they're trying on their own.
Will you wish to continue as MP after 2000? Another term?
No, I'm sorry. I should retire, I think. Because you see, government 7 retired 58, no? So by my next term, I'm nearly touching 70 just. So I think I need young ones should come.
So who is coming?
I don't know. That's for the party to decide.
But have you suggested anyone?
Suggested anyone?
Any name? Have you suggested?
No. That is for the party.
Well, NPP working president James Sangma's name is doing around. Is he replacing him?
I don't know. It's for the party to decide. No. What I know is that I want to retire. That's what I know.
There were MPs whose tenure was extended. One took CM 2 terms.
No, not 2 terms. One took is like this. First, this Thomas, he resigned, no? Because contest the MLA from, he was NCP, then we went to NPP. So she went for that only. Then after that, she got her 6th term. So she's 8 terms.
Lighting points. Whether ILP, what is the status of ILP implementation in the state? Have you taken it up with the center?
You see, the thing is like this. The state government has passed it in its legislature, then in the legislative assembly, then not only ILP, even the Khasi and Garo language to be included in the 8th schedule. We take it up in the, actually with regards to the inclusion of the Khasi Garo language. I have also spoken Mapala, Agatha, even I think Sungkon also spoken. I think Saleng, I don't know Saleng. And then with regards to the thing, the ILP, I raised a question. But only thing what I'm seeing is that, again and again, that until and unless we have a strong presence from the Northeast, it don't seem that we will get any result.
But states like Manipur and Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh already have this.
No, you see, Arunachal, Nagaland, they got it a long time back.
Manipur last time.
Manipur, they got it last time, and that's the thing that the government of India is saying that because they don't have district council or something like that. So they gave ILP. That was, if I'm not mistaken, that was the point. But like Nagaland and others, it's a long time back. This is actually, ILP is right from the British period. And during the British period, ILP was to protect people coming from outside to our area. But now it's different. It's protecting, means to protect the tribes. So this is the thing.
So because Manipur don't have the district council, that's why ILP.
That's why, if I'm not mistaken, I think that was the answer of the Home Minister. If I'm not mistaken, sometime with age, if I'm not mistaken.